So what I have here so far is obviously I have attached my style sheet, but at the moment I've only got one rule. So I'm going to open up my style sheet. You notice I can just double click it this time and it will open up a notepad for me. And then you can style different elements. So if you want to see the code for this, right click, open with notepad. So you can see we did have H1, we also had P. So let's have a play around with P. So I'm going to specify my element. I'm going to open my brackets. I can write my rules. So for example, background color, again, American spelling, colon, to tell it what color. So let's say I'm going to use dark slate gray. I quite like that. Semicolon to end that. And then I put my bracket, Control and S to save. Let's refresh this. So you've got that. Obviously, what I'd also need to do is I need to change the color of the font. So CLOR colon. Let's do light sea green. It's another nice color. Control and S to save. Okay. Now, what you might want to know is where to find the colors. So COLORS CSS. I go to colored CSS. W3 Schools is excellent for this. So just go on here and can you see you have all of the different colors. Another useful one is colors, ADOBE. If you do colors and Adobe. And what this does, Adobe color here, color.adobe.com, this actually allows you to pick different color combinations that work well together. You can click on, here it is, explore here. And you can actually see colors that other people have put together that work well. So you can actually click on that and you will actually get the different color codes. If I click on the color, you can get the name. Otherwise, instead of typing in the color name, you can actually type in this code here. If you remember, we did hexadecimal. This is hexadecimal with the hash in front of it. So I'm going to just copy that and let's do H2. And then we just write that. Colon to finish, put our bracket in, Control and S to save. Update this. And this color changed. So you can have a play around, find a color combination that works really well. Once you finish this, try starting it again. You can make a web page on any theme that you want, but try typing the code yourself. It's a far better way of actually remembering it. Now you've also got other options as well. If you don't want to just do, sorry, where's my CSS? Here we go. You can actually also change the whole of the background color. So if I go body, this will apply a rule to the body. So basically, background color. I'm going to use the dark slate gray actually as my background color here. Let's not put a background color on this one. S to save. Refresh this and then put the whole thing in color. Okay, so have a play around with that.